Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Now in this video, I'll be taking a deep dive into the BLOKEES Bumblebee or B-127 figure. Now I already made a stop motion build video of this figure, and if you want to see that, I'll be putting the link on my video on the description below. For accessories, he comes with this alternate mass head, or I would actually like to call gold bug head. And then this arm cannon to complete the battle mode. And then two alternate palm open hands. And I guess they are starting to start this trend. Specifically, I think this started with the Starscream model, wherein they give a bonus model for their vehicle mode. With the Starscream, I think they gave the Megatron tank, and with Bumblebee, he comes with Elita One's vehicle mode, which I guess is a good addition. It's a pretty nice bonus. As for Bumblebee's scale, he scales at 4 and 3/4 inches or 12 centimeters. Now, here he is with Elita One. Unfortunately, guys, I haven't really had the time to build Megatron and Prime in order to compare because right now I'm not sure if Bumblebee is oversized or Elite One is a little undersized. Because based from the scaling, let me just put them away for a while. Based on scaling, Elite One is supposed to be 21 feet, and Bumblebee is supposed to be like 19.5 feet. So a little one should be like a head taller than Bumblebee. But looking at these figures, I think they're just the same size. So I'm not sure if Elite is undersized or if Bumblebee is oversized because, as I said, I haven't really built the Optimus Prime and Megatron one in order to make them my bases. There's also a comment on my build video that Bumblebee's a little bulky. I don't know, guys. You be the judge. Is he a little bulky? But maybe it will be better if we compare him to the Decepticons. There he is with Starscream. Is he a little bulky? Let's put him next to the main villain of the movie. I guess using the body of these two, I can say that yeah, I guess the guy who commented that Bumblebee's a little bulky is kind of correct. I do think that he Bumblebee is a little bulky. What do you think, guys? Please leave on the comment below. Now, I was actually wondering why Blockies made Bumblebee less, considering that uh, on the new generation, Bumblebee is the more popular one because of the Transformer movies. But because I think they wanted to do some something new on this one. They made a little changes on this model kit, which I think is for the best. First of all, the internal, if you will see the light effect, the internal body mold that they use, which contains the LED light, is actually a clear blue. Thus, in this case, the eyes are not the only one that shines, but there are other clear parts that shines too. I mean, just look at that. That lights up. Let me just dim the light a little so that you can appreciate it more. Okay, guys, now that I dimmed the light, I think you'll be able to see them more. I mean, just look at that. There's that clear part of the body mold, which is clear blue. Okay, and at the bottom, you'll see it there. There it is. So that's one thing that they changed on this model kit, which I actually like. And then another thing that I like is actually you can remove this. If you remove this chest mold there, there's this. If you saw my stop motion build up this video, you know that they did do some attention to detail on the cog. So I was actually kind of wondering why they would do that if it will just be covered by this chest piece. So I guess you can make it look like the cogless mode using this one, but I just kind of wish that they gave us some more, just an additional armor part here to make it look more like the cogless mode. Anyway, I guess that won't make any sense because when they were cogless, they were smaller. But I just want to show this because on my build video, someone asked me if the chest part can be removed. Yes, it can be removed, and that's how it looks like. Another question that was asked to me in the comment is if these blades are removable. Yes, they are. All you have to do is take this portion off, and then you can remove it there. There's the connection. You can just remove it there, and then, just bring this back. Anyway, I like to display him with the blades, so I won't be doing that. But yeah, the blades are removable. So that's another fan factor that they added to this model kit. Now to put him into battle mode, you can change the head into the gold bag head, the one that I like to call gold bag head. Then you can remove this and put the arm cannon. And what I really like about this one is that uh, the LED effects is really very bright on this head sculpt. So thus adding the fun factor in this model kit because you can also display him like this. As for the articulation, the head can do that. Can look up like that, can look down. I want it when the light is on. Then this goes up like that, so we can do the T pose. There's rotation there, and there's also rotation on the bicep. Arms can do this. He has waist rotation. The leg can kick up that far and kick back that far. By the way, I almost forgot on the hands. I think this may be the only weakness of this model kit. Uh, it's only 95 degrees range. Going back to the legs, can do up to that. And then this, can do that, can move up like that and that. It has thigh swivel and it can do the bend down. So that's it for the articulation. As for the sculpt and mold, I think Blockies did a nice job considering the price range of this figure. So as far as color separation, I think it is enough. Yeah, but I guess I do agree with the guy who commented on my build video that he's kind of bulky. Anyway, guys, this is my deep dive on this Bumblebee model kit from Blockies. If you overall, I think it is a pretty good kit and definitely a must buy.